Welcome to How We Roll Auto.
Yeah?
I'm gonna put this in, but we gotta, I need your help to get these, two holes drilled.
Okay.
Either drilled or marked.
What do you want me marking from the other side?
No, you can't. See this here?
Yeah.
The bolts go all the way.
Well, isn't it supposed to line up with the other holes? They just gotta be bigger? I thought that's what I read. You just drill out the holes there bigger, I thought. You gotta drill them out to a 1/4 inch or something. Let's take a look at the
Hook?
the Rama Ding Dong there. On the dash. Or the cowl. So, has it been living up to its name of a painless?
Not bad.
Not bad. We're not even close to being done yet, though. So.
No, there's a lot of connections underneath.
I saw a picture of it.
Bulkhead template for vehicle with no bulkhead hole. Be an impact in there.
It's in there.
Can you grab it?
It's in there. It's like ragu. Ow. Oh, fuck the paint. Don't take much. I hear grunting. There you go. There you go.
Yes.
That's a good bingo. All right, finger tight.
Thermometer signal.
See, you drilled the holes too big for these screws?
I didn't drill. They were factory holes.
Oh, they're just there?
They were just there. What did we say this was? This green and black one?
I don't remember. If you want me to help you on that, I gotta get my glasses on.
It's an oil pressure.
Yeah, oil pressure sensor.
Wow, I got a mess.
Oh. Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Man's got a piss. So is that all the wires going across the top there, Joe?
Yeah, I believe so.
So should I use this 1/2 inch or the
Now,
3/4?
Before we go, before I have to start, you see this power wire?
This one?
No. This one.
Yeah.
Do you want to wrap that in this harness?
So we're keeping that one?
Yeah, that's.
It's not new.
We don't have a new one,
Okay.
unless we have this thick of wire.
I mean, yeah, I can keep it in that harness.
Huh?
I can keep it in that harness.
Okay. Yeah, we'll keep that in the harness.
So should I use this 1/2 inch, or do you think it's gonna take a 3/4?
I think you're looking at maybe 3/4 up there.
Okay.
Because, well, that might work, Chad, because I put all these in this
I
loom.
mean, it stretches.
It does. There's a lot wrapped up in there.
Is it long enough? Should be. I mean, it's across the hood. Should be long enough. Yes. It's just stopping here? Or is it, you want me to try to take it down to here?
Well, we'll probably have to,
Are we putting anything else in it?
that orange wire,
Orange.
it's got to be in it.
What orange wire?
One that's up on top.
This red wire?
Nope, up on top.
This?
Yeah.
Pink?
Oh, is it pink?
Yeah.
Everything looks yellow in my glasses.
Oh, there you go. Do we have any thick? There's no, this is all that goes.
See this one here?
Yeah,
This goes down to the starter.
yeah.
I'd love to get that in the loom, so it's not running across the top of the motor. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I don't know what's what. So, I mean, there's a few things that gotta go on the starter. Get your exciter wire.
That brown wire. See the brown wire right by the heat box there? By the air conditioning box?
This?
No, the brown one right above it.
This purple thing?
Okay, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
That should say starter.
Starter solenoid start, yeah.
Okay. So that goes all the way,
And one of these. This one here?
the,
This one here.
yeah.
Yeah, I got spliced with another starter. So these two.
I'd like to get this up in that harness,
Okay.
up here.
Well, I should go down and disconnect it first.
I can disconnect it from here.
Okay, do that. We'll do that.
I think.
Yeah, there's bolts there.
That's what happens, folks, when you get old. Can't hold on to shit anymore.
Your little 1/4 inch, the same size?
Yeah. What the I did with it?
This is family show. I'm gonna have to, man, I'm gonna edit with you.
You'll
Edit City.
be beeping the shit out of everything. Now, how would I do it?
Beeping the beep. All right, yeah. Stay in school, kids. Actually, do yourself a favor and be born into money.
Or married.
Yeah, you don't have a choice in the first. Marry to money. I did.
Yeah, look at me. Now, you won right there, boy. You got the
Hey, I didn't say it was a lot of money.
Yeah.
Okay, it goes with you. It's lucky it wasn't my palm.
Trapped in that rat's nest.
It's this.
I wish I knew what the hell this was.
It's going into this. Neil, which green?
I don't know if that's for the heater over there, or the cooler, or some. We'll run wire. We gotta run wires through there, so that'll tell us.
Well, there's two. There's a green and a light green and a dark green here. They look like two of those. And it comes through this harness.
Mm-hmm. That's
Probably
right.
to the air conditioning and shit that doesn't work that we could probably just take off
All right, you want to put this up there along the harness, and
and that purple wire.
you could stretch it back a little bit.
That thing gonna fit through that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Right there, I see it at the top of the distributor, right underneath that yellow wire. The whole plug looks like it unhooks.
I'm sure it's like that on the other side too.
No, no, you don't have to, all you gotta do is,
Bend that tab back a little bit to get out the notch. It's probably on both sides too.
oh,
You know what I mean?
no, yeah.
I mean,
Thing of it is,
Joe, can you hand me that green knee pad?
there you go.
I'm in like, my knee's in pain over here. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, baby. That's the good stuff.
Get the wire,
This one right here,
pull on it.
I am pulling on.
That's
That's it.
All right, that's the wire for the tachometer, which we could cut it and splice it. I can even cut it in here and splice it in here,
Okay.
which
You
might be better because it'd be out of the weather.
Yeah, I'll pull it out. You cut it, I'll pull it out. Because you want it out here, right? So you
Now,
can-
you want? Can we run it
With this?
up along the harness?
Yeah.
And then I'll put it through the grommet.
Okay.
Okay.
Got a pretty good nick in it right here.
Yeah, that's from this firewall.
I bet.
And I get it in, I get it back inside, maybe I'll put a new piece of wire from there over.
And you're gonna kind of come like this, I guess. You want to give you that P-clamp? Just to guide you, because I'll be taking that P-clamp off to the stuff, but just to help guide you. Hey, did I mention stay in school kids? Oh, yeah. Do I need to be up here anymore?
No.
Okay. I thought it was a cool idea at first. Oh. Look at this. Changed like 6 colors of purple, 6 shades of purple there. Mr. Slate. Yeah, you can only do so much. The clear lens that goes over it is filthy. It's all scratched up. You know? We will see if we can make that work. If we can't, might have to get a new one.
All right, tachometer wires placed back together. Chad, was there a dome light on this? In the back panel thing here?
Don't look like it. I don't like that headliner.
Nothing in that headliner? Do you want one? Huh? Did this have courtesy lights in the side door? Was there lights in here?
I didn't take the panel off, so whatever's on the other panel. Doesn't look like there's anything.
Okay. Has this got a third brake light?
No. How goes it?
Good. This is the courtesy lights. They're gonna run one here and one there.
Okay.
These are the dome lights and the door lights, which we're not gonna use. I'm just setting them off to the side, and then we'll figure if we're gonna put them up inside.
Good for later on. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. I don't want to cut anything off that somebody might want to use in the future.
Right. So, now we got brake switch input.
Yeah.
Are you busy?
No, whatever.
You want to hook the battery up?
What you thinking?
I don't know why I don't have power.
Your
Park lights?
parking lights. Let me see if they're on the back. I don't see anything back here.
Okay, hang on. Anything?
Nope.
Anything?
Nope.
Anything?
Nope.
Anything?
Nope.
Anything?
No. Now, not for nothing. I remember how you couldn't tell the colors before.
No, I'm looking for a number.
Oh, okay.
Looking for number 948. I can't see shit. I should at least get f***ing lights.
Can you hand me my ratchet?
Who?
My electric ratchet there.
Chad, are these pink?
Yeah,
Is that pink?
that's right.
That's pink.
Uh-huh.
I believe that one has no rating on it. Does it?
So for anybody watching this,
What is that one up there?
my father-in-law wears yellow tinted glasses. I can't see that. Power. Gauge power.
Gauge power.
Yeah.
So that gauge power goes to here. No oil pressure gauge. We don't need that, right?
No, we got a mechanical.
Chad, can you get me a little zip tie over here, or wherever the hell they are?
Little one?
Yeah, little one.
Do I have little one?
No, we have them. They're in the bag that came.
Can't with it.
Yeah.
Oh, well, look at that. What'd you get for $500? Used.
Okay. So, I'll pin these one at a time. Are these grounds?
Oh.
There's two blacks, or I don't know. Those blacks? One, two.
This one's black too.
Are they grounds?
How would I know?
Oh, Jesus, Mary and Joseph.
That's what you're here for. Think that would fit in here?
Yeah, but it's got to fit right. See this little slot right there? It's got to be this wide.
Okay. I'll take a cutting wheel to it and, you know.
Yeah, because what we got at work are like these.
Yep, they're
We
flat.
got a whole kit, and they're flat.
At the shop with JP Rhino. He's not too impressed. How painless is this?
It's very painful.
You don't have the highest tolerance for pain, or is it?
No,
Or is it actually painful?
it's painful.
I don't think it's the harness as much as it is what was in the truck, right?
Yeah, well, the harness says, the book says they can't, you have to figure out what wires go to the plug on a column and where they go, and that's difficult when nothing works. And I tried power probing to try to get the the gauge cluster to work. I'm trying to figure out by color, but there is not enough wires.
Well, it's also the harness that was in this truck isn't the original harness that came with the truck. So half the stuff was used, wasn't used. Was that you think that was factory to the truck, or you think that was extra afterwards when they put the
I don't
did the
know.
swap in?
I don't know.
Just a guessing game.
Uh,
You know what I can say about it?
this is the harness. Does it look like a factory harness? No. I have no idea what all this happy horse shit is.
But you know what I can say about this?
Uh,
Because I'm glad it's you doing it, not me.
yeah. I mean, there's a fucking gazillion.
And I gotta edit that out. Man. Potty mouth Perino. Swear all you want, I'd rather edit than do wiring.
So, what do you think? Should I hook into these wires? These wires into these wires?
Or repin them?
Or repin them?
Do we have the pins for that type of thing?
Yeah. I do. But
Well, if you repin them and they're not in the right spot, then you gotta cut them off and try again, right?
okay. These are two different color greens, right?
Two different color blues and a green.
Oh. Okay.
Oh, you gotta take them damn glasses off.
I can't see that.
Don't you have any clear glasses?
No. Okay, so this is this color. Right?
This is freaking hysterical. He's got a handicap, folks. I can't get the light, anything to light up. These are blue, right? These are green. No, these are green. Blue?
We got light blue.
And a dark blue. Light blue's there. Alright, pressure's off. I'm gonna take the camera away from you now.
This dark blue right here.
What's that? No, this is.
That
That's a
wasn't
dark.
blue.
That's a darker blue. Yeah, that's a darker blue than the other one.
Okay.
Got the frame all painted up. Did a quick once over on the dirt and dust and grime on the top. I still got to go underneath and do it. Drop the tank down so we can access the wiring harness coming from the front to the back. I got to shorten up those gas lines anyway. Much easier to do with no bed. And now we can access that cab corner so we can put it on. This cab corner so we can put it on. This one's actually not a lot better than the other one. And the rocker on this side's got a little hole here. Door's got a hole. So, got a couple little patch things to do on this truck. I don't have a right side wheel repair kit for the bed. I'll have to buy one of those. the front. Savable there. The front. So just the rears. Okay.